Part of me would like to make a box that holds them all in a single layer and it be octagonal or hexagonal. How big a shape is that actually? Okay, those are 60. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9/16. Yeah, this one's varying quite a bit. One of my favorite fixes. So it won't quite reach. Break something off in it. Now it'll reach. Look at that. Isn't that cool? So here's what we do. Do one pass in this direction. One pass from that direction. Plane it down to that. Set this at 60. And then that means there. Down there. Oops, slid. .60-degree cut line. I need to cut one cut 60 degrees. That is the inside point. But the inside point is not what's important. One. That's close enough. That's really darn close. I'll take that. 3. So now I need that mark there. So there's where it needs to be. Is that right on its old line? I don't know. We're gonna find out next time on Hey, 2 straps are enough. Good. Uh-oh.
2 are on the floor.
5, 5, 5, 5. Yep, 2 are on the floor somewhere. See if I can just do this. Wait a second. Oh, yes! That actually works really well. I saw where it went. Okay, so that really didn't tighten it up much, did it? Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh, just tight. Yeah, that's right about where I want it to be. So about there. And make this one off center. The bottom's going to be thin. Just need to catch all the corners before pulling it tight. There's that one, and then this last corner is a doozy. Just to there. Here we go. 1 and 2. Don't go in the middle. But I want to be in the middle. No middle for you. You should be able to reach. One. Nope, get a better grip. Better grip. There we go. 1, 2, 3. It's a box-ish thing, kind of. That works. And so we need to find out how thick is that piece. It is that thick. And that one's a little thinner. Let's make it the thinnest one. Into the knife. Go a little more. I'm gonna get rid of that gap. Ooh, that's against the grain. Not so happy. No, that's against the grain. Just gotta be careful with this one, because I got this weird knot thing. Yeah, I think that's the better container. Now, nope, the other way. Ta-da! So there you have it, a hexagonal box
for the Chinese checkers board, which we made that a couple weeks ago. If you want to see that, I'll leave a link to that video down below. This one is a lot of fun, and I wanted to make something really kind of simple. Originally, I was planning on putting the marbles inside the board, but it was just a little bit too thin for that, so I decided to make a separate box. I also was thinking about putting magnets in this to hold them in, but due to the thin sidewalls, I decided against that. So I don't know, we'll see how that goes. And I kind of like doing something that's a little bit different. It's not square, it's simple, but yet fun, and trying a different thing is a great way to expand your practices and learn new skills. So I hope you like that. If you would like to find out more about this, then go over to my second channel, Wood by Wright How To. On that channel, we actually do how-to talk-throughs of every build we do. So if you see a project on this channel, So if you see a project on this channel, I have a video over on that channel where I actually talk through what am I doing, how am I doing it, why am I doing it, and actually do some teaching over there. So if you like that, hop on over there. If you have any other thoughts, comments, ideas, snide remarks, questions, throw those down below. Thank you. Without people putting comments down below and hitting the like, share, and subscribe, no one would find us here. The YouTube loves that stuff, and so do I. So thank you for doing that and helping us grow. If you want to take it even farther, there are a bunch of names over here. Those are all patrons on Patreon. Without patrons, we wouldn't exist. Between Patreon and members here on the YouTube channel, we are completely sponsored by you. So thank you for that. If you'd like to keep it that way, then think about becoming a patron or becoming a member here on the channel by clicking the little join button. We have special perks for both, and it is kind of a lot of fun. I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. This is the type of thing you make for someone you don't like, and you take it over to them and you put it on them. That way you could put a hexagonal box on them.